Out on trail now, section B, the Great Divide Trail. I cheated a little bit this morning and I started about 6 kilometers up the Atlas Staging Area Road, which is 10 kilometers from Coleman. And it's right where the new High Rock alternate route, which will eventually be the main GDT through this area, right where it begins. So I thought it was a pretty good spot to start day one. It's only going to give me about 13 or so kilometers my first day, so a pretty easy start. But my bag is a little heavy with 8 days of food, and I didn't start until 11 o'clock. So I think that's probably enough for day one. I could always do more, but might as well take it slow. Anyway, really excited to be out here. Been looking forward to getting some time away, some real time away. I'm just gonna keep moseying on. Well, I'm above treeline now here, and I'm loving it. It's about noon, so I'm hitting the exposed area, you know, as it's starting to get hot out, but it's looking pretty awesome up here. I'm really happy that we have this High Rock route now. Found a great spot to have lunch, looking back over the valley that I came up today, and this gnarly mountain here to my east. Thought I would take a break and get some fuel before a last climb up to a viewpoint here. The trail has been great so far. It's been a really fun day. Looking forward to seeing what's coming next. So after coming down from the pass behind me, I ended up getting back on this ATV trail, and it looks like this might be the rest of the route to the lake where I'm camping tonight, but we'll see at the top here. I'm about 3 kilometers away from camp, so I've done 10 already today and 3 left, so on I go. Well, I made it to Window Mountain Lake Camp for the night. Really cool spot. Really cool spot. Short, steep little trail to get up here. It has been a really nice evening at the lake here. Just enjoying my time, having some food, just taking it all in. Watching the fish jump. It's been really nice up here. Probably gonna hit the tent in about an hour or so. I already have my food hung up in my sack for the night. So after I'm done eating, I need to clean up my pots and I'll get some water for the night, and that's about it. Talk to you tomorrow.